How to add payment method on Roblox. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to add payments if you open your Roblox on your PC and on your mobile. So first, if you're going to add your payment on your PC, all you have to do is to sign up or log in to your Roblox account. Now you have to locate this gear icon and then go to settings. Once you're here, you will see options like account information, you will see security, privacy, and so on. And one of these options is payment method. All you have to do is to tap this one and then click this add button right here. Once you tap this add button, then you can now add your payment method. If you have your credit or debit card, you just have to simply add your card number, your information, billing email, billing address, and so on. Once you've added this information, then you can now click save. You will then see the payment method right here. Okay, so in case that you don't know how to add payment method on your mobile, it's the same thing. But first, you have to make sure that you have updated your Roblox application. So once you're here, open or launch your Roblox and click this three dots at the bottom right corner. And then what you're going to do next is to look for the settings or this gear icon right here. Now, once you found it, click settings. It will take you directly to some options like the account info, privacy, and so on. And in the same thing, you just have to look for the payment method, which is under parental controls. Once you have tapped this payment methods, and then you can now add your payment method right here. Same thing with your Roblox when you open your PC. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.